the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Harmony 2 for Cricket Wireless. So the LG Harmony 2 is now here on Cricket Wireless as of today, July 27th. The LG Harmony 2 is a rebranded LG K30, guys. So it's available right now for $139.99 for new lines or upgrades. So if you guys are interested in this phone, check this phone out. This is a budget phone, but the specs on this phone are pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It's not the best phone in the world, but it is a pretty decent phone here. So that's front of the phone right there, as you guys can see right here. That's front of it right there. So y'all guys will have your front-facing camera right here, earpiece, your screen there, your on-screen keys right there, and whatnot. On the left side, you have a volume up and down buttons. On the left side right here, like I said, your volume buttons right there. On the back of the LG Harmony 2, you guys have a camera flash, power / fingerprint sensor on back, and you have your Cricket logo and your LG logo right there. And that's one of the phone again. It's available in black there. It's a nice phone, you know what I'm saying? It's not too bad for what it is, guys. So let's go see what this phone has to offer. Alright, so it says, have you checked your smartphone? Gotta have it list. The LG Harmony 2 has all you need and more. Large screen? Check. The Harmony 2 has a 5.3-inch screen with HD resolution. Good camera, yup, and 8 megapixel rear, 5 megapixel front, and full HD video. What about memory to store all those pics, videos, and apps? You bet. Harmony 2 has up to 32 gigabytes of user memory and room to grow with support up to room to grow with support up to 128 gigabyte micro SD card. So that right there, guys, you're getting 32 gigs on this phone. That's a win. Not bad for 140 bucks. Not bad, you know what I'm saying? Add to that a large 3000 mAh battery that keeps you going, and a fingerprint sensor to keep it all secure. That's when you realize, thanks to the Harmony 2, you have already got it. So from that, the phone looks pretty good in terms on paper. Like I said, these specs are not too bad. They're pretty good. You know, it's a budget phone, so you're not gonna get like the flagship specs on this phone or nothing like that. But for 140 bucks, it's not too bad, guys. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, the LG Harmony 2 has a 5.3-inch AC display. It's 720p. It has a quad-core processor power and fast 4G LTE. You have 8 megapixel rear camera with flash and full HD video, 5 megapixel front-facing camera with auto shot and gesture shot for effortless selfies, fingerprint sensor for added security and convenience, DTS:X 3D surround sound with your headphones, 3000 mAh battery with battery saving mode, Wi-Fi calling capable. So it has all that good stuff on there. So yeah, so it has some sound improvement. So it has some sound enhancements, stuff like that. The battery should last you pretty good time. Beautiful photography. You won't miss special moments with instant focus and zero shutter lag on the 8 megapixel rear camera. Take quick and easy selfies with auto shot. Just look at the camera and it starts capturing those great shots. Create amazing GIFs either from a video or using Jump Flash Cut, which creates a GIF from a series of photos taken every 3 seconds. So it has the GIF thing on there. It has Jump Flash Cut, and it has all that you know, all the selfie feeds like auto shot, gesture shot, and all that stuff like that. Everything looks better. The Harmony 2 display hits the sweet spot for smartphones. Not too small, not too big. View everything you need in the palm of your hand in vivid detail and bold color. Alright? So it's pretty you know, compact size phone there. If you guys are looking for like a compact size phone, this is a phone worth checking out there. All the bells and whistles. A smartphone with so much to offer, a fingerprint sensor conveniently located on the back of the phone to keep your info safe and secure, up to 32 GB of user memory and an SD card slot to add plenty more, smart cleaning to manage and maximize your battery and memory, and DTS:X 3D surround sound for an immersive music experience when listening with your headphones. So it has all the features on there and whatnot. So it has pretty good features on it, stuff like that. Like I said, this is a budget phone, guys. So you are getting pretty damn good specs with this phone. It has Android 8.1 Oreo. That's a fucking win right there, guys. That's a win. That's a win. That right there, win right there. Could it get Android P? Maybe. Your dimensions right here, it is 5.85 inches height, 2.96 inches width, and 0.34 inches on the depth. And like I said before, screen is 5.3 inches HD 720p. That's about 277 ppi right there. Up to 32 gigabytes of memory, 2 gigabytes of RAM, micro SD card slot up to 128 gigabyte. You have 4G LTE, Wi-Fi of course, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB charging, no Type-C on board unfortunately. Mobile hotspot capable, includes Wi-Fi manager, cameras again, 8 megapixel on the rear and 5 megapixels on the front. They both record in 4K videos on both cameras. You get Google Maps, HD voice, yes, processor, 1.4 GHz quad core. I think the processor is Snapdragon 425 or something like that. Maybe, I'm not sure the exact processor, but I think it's Snapdragon 425, and you got a 3000 mAh battery, and I think the battery is removable, I think. You get hearing aid and all that, qualifying rate plan requirements and all that. You know, you have a service plan on this, obviously. So check out some accessories on the LG Harmony 2. It's basically an LG K30, guys. If you guys want to get accessories on the LG Harmony 2, go to Amazon, type in LG K30 on Amazon, and you guys can see some accessories. All right. So you guys got glitter gel case there, a goof-proof extreme glass screen protector there, 2-piece kickstand shield there. You know, you got a screen protector, folio wallet case, gel case. You got a universal car mount, Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth waterproof speaker, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth headset. You got some more cases here. You have LG Tone, Bluetooth stereo headphones, Bluetooth headphones from LG. You got a USB drive and all that. Got some more stuff for your phone there. Your power tower. You got a dashboard thing for your car. You got the quick charge thing, Bluetooth earbuds, Bluetooth headset, your universal case and whatnot. So basically your standard accessories there. Like I said, if you guys want to get accessories for this phone, go to Amazon, type in LG K30, and you guys should see accessories for this phone. And you guys will get you guys will probably get better accessories, and they'll be a bit cheaper on Amazon. So check that out. There it is, guys. The LG Harmony 2, guys. It's available now on Cricket Wireless for $139.99 for new lines and upgrades. So there's no port and stresses on this phone just yet. It looks like a very nice phone, guys. It's basically a K30. You know, it has a fingerprint sensor on back, 32 gigabytes of storage, Android 8.1 Oreo, LTE and all that good stuff. This one is on Straight Talk as an LD Premier Pro LTE. It's also on AT&T prepaid as the LG Phoenix Plus. So this one is available on a couple of prepaid carriers right now. Yeah, this is a big upgrade over the LG Harmony from last year. It looks a lot nicer than the LG Harmony. I thought the LG K20 looked nice as well, but this one looks nice as well. This one looks nice, you know what I'm saying? Not bad for 140 bucks. Is it the best phone in the world? No. But for what you get it for, guys, it's not a bad phone to get as a backup phone. Get for a smartphone, a phone for a kid, or whatever. I mean, do I think it's worth 140 bucks? You know, yeah. I mean, because of the fingerprint sensor, 32 gigabytes of storage, Android 8.1 Oreo, LTE, and all that stuff. I think it's worth it. In my opinion, I think it's worth it. But it is your decision if you guys want to get this phone or not. It's a nice phone, like I said. Looks very nice. It has pretty good specs on it. 2 gigabytes of RAM. I mean, it is what it is, guys. At least it has 32 gigabytes of storage. A micro SD card, Android 8.1 Oreo. I think the battery is removable. I think it is. So yeah, there it is, guys. LG Harmony 2 on Cricket Wireless, now available. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.